Plus, one local therapist pioneering a unique treatment for back pain. Why his patients say a few well-placed smacks are actually working wonders. Tonight, relieving back pain in just 20 minutes. A Maryland therapist is using a unique method to help patients with even the most debilitating and chronic pain. At first glance, this might look a little strange. This man lying on a table getting slapped, pushed, and pulled by his therapist. But it's actually a therapy to treat pain, and it's something that 44-year-old Scott Gordon underwent after he threw out his back at the gym a few months ago.
And I literally couldn't move for 3 days and was in bed, couldn't even get out of bed. My whole back was locked up.
Scott says he actually crawled into this Rockville clinic, Advanced Spine and Wellness Center, also he could meet the man who would soon be smacking him around.
It's hard to describe. It's really incredible to feel.
Andrew Block is a physical therapist and an acupuncturist. He also developed this unique technique he calls reflexive pattern therapy. It's tough to explain exactly what it is, even for the creator, but it's based on the principles of Eastern medicine.
I'm looking for reactive points. Sometimes they're ticklish, sometimes they're tender, sometimes they're painful. And usually they're not in the spot of why someone came in to see me.
Block says those reactive points or patterns correlate with the area where the person is feeling pain. And once he identifies them, he pushes, pulls, and jerks the body, all in an effort to activate reflexive energy, which he believes will relieve the pain.
When you jolt someone quickly, that's a different type of sensation. And so what it does, I believe that it works much faster when I work on the reflexes.
And according to Scott Gordon, this method works and quickly.
I literally wanted to hug him just because I was so excited, because it was so extreme of, coming in so injured to, 20 minutes later, feeling no pain.
He says that pain relief lasted, and just 2 days later, this was him out skiing.
The snow was so good that I ended up going pretty hard and skiing moguls and really pushing myself, which was probably a mistake, but I didn't feel the pain. It was awesome.
Well, let's be clear, this is not a cure for back pain. Andrew Block tells us it's meant only to alleviate pain, so patients often come back when they need a tune-up. RPT costs $175 for the first session and then $80 for follow-ups. But Block says most major insurance companies will cover the cost.
Wow, that's fascinating.
Yeah, back pain is a problem that plagues a whole lot of us.
When it's chronic, there's nothing worse.
That's right.